Hi patrons, presenting to you a 2018 Fat Boy uh, with a lot of our accessories. This bike has a beautifully crafted full kit, full touring kit as you can see. 80-liter top box and side panniers. It's got variable sound exhaust. It's got a beautifully crafted top rail, uh, chromed, fully chromed. Uh, very good set of LEDs. In fact, the side boxes are perfectly matched to the fender, as you can see. Long haul seat with the integrated backrest, rear footboards. Let me just give you a zoom in. Rear footboards, long haul seat with a completely versatile adjustable backrest. You can move it up and down, you can move it front and back, uh, and ride with a lot of comfort. This is a long haul seat, a 17.5 mm seat, and you can see the gel line here. It's got really nice gel in it. uh, it's got a Adia heel shifter. It's got nicely crafted highway foot pegs. You can also get highway footboards, both are available. The heel shifter, the bike is height raised. Hope you guys love the way it looks. And of course, Adidas variable sound exhaust uh, here that you see behind. The valve is operatable valve. When you close it, it gives you no sound. When you open it, you get a loud sound. Please look at our video on the exhaust. It's always nice to get customers back. This specific rider, he had only the touring pack, the top box. Now he's gone for the side panniers. Let me give you an inner view on the side panniers. The side panniers come with all around rubber beading, so you have no water going in. All the LEDs are completely concealed inside, so you don't damage them. The inner bags are removable bags, so when you reach your destination, you don't have to unlock your stuff, unpack it. You can just remove the stuff. And of course, lockable. And of course, you also now have the ability to ask for inner manager for your touring top box. This touring top box can easily accommodate two of full size helmets. And of course, you can keep your stuff in this, whatever you have. As you can see, it looks really nice. All chrome brackets, indicators relocated nicely. It's also got our very popular heat shield, as you can see under the seat. Hope you guys like it. Thank you.